Then lastly, after I have my tarp folded up, what I always keep with my tarp, and I forgot to mention, I actually have a map of where I'm at in the forest, and I mark a lot of stuff on there. And it's very helpful if you know where you're at. And it's a really good trail guide, and it can show you places maybe you haven't been before. But always smart to have. But after I fold my tarp up, I lay my paracord, my map, my pencil, fold it over. Then I have one of these simple like slip and there you go. Instant shelter, map of where you are, and pencil, which has multiple uses. It can be kindling. I'm sure I can find many uses for an eraser, and maybe if you know some, you could let me know. But that's how I pack my tarp, and that way anytime I have my tarp with me, I know that I have my rope to set it up if I need to, and a map. Just good things to have. So there's a good tarp pack for you.